Experts say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why waste it on foods full of sugar like donuts?
Well, donuts are pretty good. I don't know. This morning, Paula Yeager from CrossFit Jaguar has a breakfast menu that will help you power through the day.
Good morning, Tampa Bay. I'm Paula Yeager with CrossFit Jaguar, and today we're talking about how to make breakfast delicious, but good for you too. When breaking your fast, you want to avoid refined carbs such as muffins, breads, bagels, and donuts, which will lead to a morning crash. Traditional foods like eggs and hams are fine, but I like to utilize leftovers to add some variety. A dollop of sour cream, some fresh dill, a leftover fillet of salmon from last night's dinner, some roasted asparagus topped with a farm fresh egg. You can get creative with this and use many different leftover foods such as chicken, beef, and a variety of vegetables. But by starting your day with a healthy breakfast of protein, fat, and the right carbohydrates, and you can power your way through your morning, be it a business meeting or a workout. I'm Paula Yeager with CrossFit Jaguar, ABC Action News this weekend.
The Marlins steamrolled the Rays Friday night at Trop.
Unfortunately,